Hey guys, Charlani here. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to decorate for Halloween. And I do it very simply. We've already decorated for fall. All I do is layer some cutesy Halloween decor right on top of that. Now let me show you what I'm working with. I like cutesy Halloween decor. So look at this cat right here. Looks like Binks from Hocus Pocus. So cute. Look at, I love little things like that. Look at our gnome. He is adorable. So we have been burning the candles over the mantle, so you can see they're very much burned down to the nubs. Also, always practical magic. Okay, so here's another thing I want to do. We're gonna put all the way around here cobwebs, and we're gonna put some spiders in the cobwebs, and then we're gonna put bats going up. It's gonna look very cool. And I'm pretty sure that everything is in this bin right here. I don't have a ton. Look how cute, looks like Kai. So cute. I don't have a ton of Halloween decor. I have just enough cute stuff to kind of place around because it isn't up for very long, because I am feeling decorating for Christmas this year like right away, like right away. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got. I've had these for several years now. It's orange fairy lights. I don't know if we'll use them. We'll see if there's a place for it. If not, we're gonna keep this box for another year again. The witch is in. And look, here's one of those candles. I actually ended up getting a bunch of new ones at Hobby Lobby, but we had one in here. And then black tapered candles, nice. Lots of fun, cutesy things. So here are all of the webs that we will use for the mantle. And then we've got extra spiders if we feel like we need more. And then these are the bats that we'll place right above the fireplace. They look so cool. And then I remember going back last year because you know how everything goes on sale. I just got these at Michael's, but I got another one of these guys. So we will drape those over the mantle florals. Like I said, we just layer on top. So we've got these florals here too. Those go in this skull picture right here. But yeah, let's just start putting stuff in places. See what we're working with and we'll layer on there. But here are these, so we'll definitely make sure, because we're gonna get the ladder out and we'll replace those. Put the webs up. Here are Rob's Halloween socks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out, obviously. And then this is Kai's bandana. If we want to, you know, make him a little festive. And then these are my t-shirts. You can't sit with us. Squad, love it, love it, love it. Very Hocus Pocus inspired. Then we've got the vampire lips, and we've got a skull.
Once I position the tapered candles into the candelabra, I melt just a little bit of the bottom so that it drips into the candlestick itself. I think it just makes it a little bit more secure. And this candelabra actually is designed to grip the candles themselves, which I think is super cool. And it adds just that extra element of security. And don't worry, there's going to be plenty of room between the flame and these cobwebs, if you're wondering. And I never leave candles burning if I'm not in the room. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed decorating for Halloween with me. Oh, and by the way, we got a jack-o'-lantern cookie kit. We got that kit at Target for my nieces, and I'll pop in a picture to show you how they came out. Now, as fun as this is, I cannot even tell you how excited I am getting for Christmas. So if you also enjoy decorating for the holidays, I'd love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. We will absolutely be doing Vlogmas this year, and I'd love for you to join us. Thanks again for watching. Be good humans, stay safe, live happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.